This old guy DIY video has to do with changing the blades on a John Deere 48-inch mower deck for an X320 mower. So this thing has 3 spindles, and when I'm removing the nut from the blade, I like to put a big chunk of 2x4 or 4x6, whatever happens to fit in there, just to provide positive lockup so this blade won't turn when I put my wrench on here. And in this case, I don't know what size socket it's supposed to be. I couldn't find an English or a metric that fit it as well as I expected. The thing is 16 years old, so maybe they're rounded off. But what I ended up using is the 18mm to pull it off. So I loosen these up, and then the old blade just comes off. And I bought some Gator mulching blades for these things, and I'll go grab one of those right now. But my first impression of that beast is that it's about twice the mass of a John Deere stock blade, and it looks like if it hit a stump or hits anything, basically it's going to knock the hell out of the thing rather than taking the hit on the blade. So it certainly looks heavy duty, and I'll go ahead and replace all 3 blades here, and then we'll have this lady cutting grass tomorrow, and we'll see if it runs like a Cadillac. This is what a Gator mulching blade by Oregon, made in the USA, looks like compared to the standard stock OEM John Deere blade. So this beast is what's going on there now, and we'll see what kind of difference it makes. Well, in the game of lawnmower blades, if looks mattered, this thing looks pretty menacing with these Gator blades on there. So everything's functioning as it should. Put this mower back together. Let her do her thing tomorrow. I hope this video helped you. Have a great day.